Hi everyone, Louise Marshall from RosterElf here. Today I will show you how to add unrostered shifts so your payroll stays accurate. How to add an unrostered shift. Click Add Shift in the bottom left corner to open a blank shift form. Follow the prompts to enter the employee, date, and shift length so the record matches the actual hours worked. Select Add to Payroll when the details are correct to push the shift straight into your pay calculations. How to review the shift before processing payroll. Confirm the employee name and date match the timesheet to avoid mismatched records. Check the shift duration reflects the hours worked for precise pay. Save your changes and refresh the payroll view to see the shift included. That's all there is to it. If you need help, our support team is always ready to assist. Happy rostering!